everyone. Merry Christmas. Spoiler alert. It's not really Christmas morning here. No. I have learned through the years to not actually, there was a time where I would actually get up in the morning, we'd do the Christmas presents with the kids, I would film
what I got for Christmas, I would hurry up and edit it, I would post it on Christmas Day.
Why did I do that? I don't know. That's the beauty of YouTube. This is a week before Christmas. So right now when you're watching this video, if you're watching it on Christmas morning, I am definitely enjoying all of the time with my kids, just enjoying Christmas. So I hope you're having a fabulous day, but I still like posting this video on Christmas because I know a lot of people enjoy watching these videos. And you saw the thumbnail correct. I got this finally. It's an Hermes bag. I, for the longest time, never thought I would ever get an Hermes bag. I'm kind of deciding how I'm going to do this video, like the angle I'm going to kind of approach it, because I just feel like my thoughts and what kind of like went into getting this is just different than I feel like every other typical like luxury YouTuber. It's just different for me. And I know that makes no sense. I'm also gonna share a little bit of some details of my new ring, which for those of you that follow me on Instagram, maybe you are aware, but I did in fact get an upgraded diamond ring, which I know like a couple years ago, I had done that already. And usually you only do that one time. And here I am, I'm like, I'll get into the details. There's a reason why. I'll get into some questions. I've been getting a lot of questions about it on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I share a lot more on there. But yeah, that's kind of what this video is gonna be about. So let's get started and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so here is the box. And it is an Hermes Birkin or Kelly. Which one is it? You will find out momentarily. Did that rhyme? Probably. Okay, so this sticker is ugly. I don't like it there, but I guess it's supposed to be there. I did buy it pre-loved. I have no relation with an Hermes sales associate or store whatsoever. Like I would never, ever be just offered a bag to buy from the store. So I did buy this pre-loved, and I have been kind of like searching for, I would say like a year or two. I have different people I follow that you know sell bags. I Fashion File, the different platforms. Like I am constantly on the hunt. So I finally found exactly what I wanted, and I really think what I paid for it was really good. Was it over market value? Yes, but no. Did I say that right? Was it over like retail value? Yes, but that's the thing. That this is where I want to like explain. The value of these bags has skyrocketed in the last year or two. So I honestly, just like I said, I probably would never buy this bag, but I'm kind of buying it for investment purposes. And I know there's so many people out there saying like that's ridiculous. And I'm sorry, I just disagree. I don't think it's ridiculous. Will I actually carry this bag? I honestly don't know. It might just sit on my shelf. I might just let it kind of like grow in value. Maybe at some point down the road, I will sell it and make a huge profit. Or maybe I won't. I don't know. I'm just gonna show you the darn bag. So anyway, it came with everything. I was very picky. I wanted it to be excellent condition, like everything, like the ribbon, the paper. I wanted the what's it called? The raincoat. Will I ever use the raincoat? No. But I still, like, it's just something that it comes with, it's like a thing. So like I wanted it to be all inclusive. So let me just put this all back here nicely, and I will reveal it to you. All right, so here is the dust bag, and I shall reveal to you, no surprise here, I got a Birkin 30 Togo gold leather with palladium silver hardware. And this is just the combo that I have just always loved to pieces. So anyway, I'm so happy with it. It's beautiful. I feel like a lot of you might think that I might have preferred the gold hardware, and don't get me wrong, I love gold on gold. Like I would have been happy with that too, but for some bizarre reason, I've always been slightly more drawn to the gold leather with the palladium or silver hardware. And I don't know if it's because the gold kind of has, or like this leather is a little bit more of a warm tone, and then the silver is a little bit more cool, so it's like a nice balance. I love both, but anyway, this is what I got, and like I said, I feel like I found such a good deal. That's why I jumped on it. And even like I got this a few months ago actually, and I have not even worn it. It's really, like I said, it's just been kind of sitting there. But I knew I was filming this video this morning. So last night I was actually on Fashion File, and I was looking at bags, and already in 2 months, like this exact bag, like brand new in box comes with everything, thousands more than what I paid for it. So I already just feel like it was a good purchase. Like I'm talking like many more thousands than what I paid. So it's just, again, I truly, when I said years ago, I'll probably never get an Hermes bag, I literally, like, I meant that, but it's really just just the value has what pushed me over the edge. Will I get a Kelly in the future? I used to think I never would. I don't know, maybe I will, but maybe I really won't. I don't know. But anyway, I love the size. Like I said, it is the 30 size. So there's the 35, which is also kind of popular. The 25, which is way smaller, is also very, very popular. I'm sure all of you, if you're into this kind of thing, you probably know all about it. But the 30 is more, just in the middle. And I used to think I wanted a 35 until I tried it on, and it's just so big. It's so big, especially when you open it up. And as you can see, I already have it opened up. Like usually when people unbox these, it's all closed up, but I do have it open just so you can kind of see like how you would actually carry it. And then, like I said, when you open it all up, I feel like it's the perfect size. You can carry it on the crook of your arm. It's just so classy. It's like the epitome of a classic bag. So anyway, I love this size. I love the Togo leather. It's literally in pristine condition, and I kind of just wanted to stay that way. There's even still the plastic on here, which I'm gonna remove. But yeah, it holds quite a bit. Like it's a good size where it doesn't feel too heavy. I don't know, it's like perfect. So that's what I kind of bought myself for Christmas. But let's move on to the ring story and details, because this is really like what I got for Christmas, like from Josh. And I will, let me just put this away and I'll explain some frequently asked questions that I've been getting thus far. Okay, so here is the bag that the ring came in. Only showing you this because I'm pretty sure, yes, the GIA certificate is right here. But let me just, I guess, rewind as to why this happened, kind of the stories. I'll share the details. But if you guys don't remember, some of you do, some of you probably don't, but like 2 years ago, I did get an upgrade, which most people only do it one time, so I know this is weird. So Josh proposed to me in 2008, and we got married in 2009. I had a 1 carat diamond ring, which was beautiful. It was great. It was a beautiful diamond. But jewelry is my thing. Like, let's just get that out of the way. Like, I just showed you a bag. Like, I post videos sometimes about handbags. I love jewelry. Like, that's where it's at for me. That's why I love my Cartier jewelry, the diamonds. Like, I just love jewelry. So anyway, I was so thrilled when he surprised me for our 10-year wedding anniversary. Was that even right? I think so. Honestly, was it that? It doesn't matter. He surprised me with an upgrade and I was freaking out. Like, I was so thrilled. So we ended up getting a 2 carat diamond upgrade. Anyway, I started wearing that ring. I loved it. But then the more and more I wore it, we started realizing that particular diamond, and by the way, I do want to just say, I to this day, I have my original diamond. I turned it into a necklace. I still wear it. It's a beautiful necklace. That particular original stone is so important to me, and I'll always keep it in the family. And yeah, anyway, but the 2 carat that we upgraded to, sorry, this is so confusing. I started wearing it and I just felt like the clarity it was cloudy. It wasn't as shiny and sparkly. Like, it just looked different. And it started bothering Josh. I don't know. I just love diamonds. It didn't bother me as much. But then when he started pointing it out, then I started noticing it more. Then I started thinking maybe we should actually utilize the upgrade program that it kind of comes with, where we like upgrade for like a better diamond, And then you may remember me wearing the oval moissanite ring there for a while. And it's not like I tried to play it off like that was a diamond. Like, no, I was like very transparent that this is a moissanite ring. I'm testing out the oval shape. And I am so glad that I did that, because I learned that I actually don't really like ovals, which I'm sorry. I know so many people love ovals. It's so popular right now and it's pretty. It's just, I am a classic round girl. Like, that's just what I love. I love round classic diamonds. They are insanely sparkly. I just love them. Fast forward to now. Josh was the one who started making the calls to see like what kind of diamonds, because we knew we wanted to go to the place, to upgrade the diamond. And he started seeing like with their inventory and the different diamonds. And lo and behold, we basically found the exact diamond with all of the specifications that we wanted. And we kind of just jumped on it, even though like I've had it for a couple months now, because I just didn't want anyone else to get the diamond. Like, I love this so much. So let me just tell you a little bit of the details about it. It's just under 4 carats. I kind of wanted the look of a 4 carat diamond, but once you actually hit 4 point whatever, the price tag exponentially increases because it's like a 4 carat. Whereas if you can just go right under like 3, it's like 3.8 something. It kind of looks like a 4 carat, but you're still paying like a 3 carat pricing, if that makes sense. So I even like tried it on, you know, in there, we compared, and I literally, to the naked eye, you could like, it was so hard to tell the difference between this diamond and then like a actual 4 carat. So that's why I went with this. It's also a triple excellent cut diamond, which is definitely what you want. That's what my other one was not, and you could so tell the difference. This is unbelievably sparkly. I mean, it is just, it's so beautiful. It is an H color. So I know so many people are like, oh, it's not colorless, which the DEF is like the complete colorless. None of my diamonds have ever been colorless. Again, I kind of compared them in the store and I could not tell a difference, to be honest. Like, I really could not. If you get the excellent cut and like just all of the other C's are fabulous, then the color just, it looks so white. Like, it looks beautiful. I could not, there just was no point in me. And like when I was like justifying the price, like it was like thousands and thousands and thousands more to get like a DE colorless diamond. And I literally could not tell a difference. So anyway, that's just, I'm telling you these details because I know so many people are kind of interested in this. Some people could care less, or couldn't care less. But I know this just interests some people. So I wanted to share the details of my ring because it's just, I don't know, I love it so much. I look at it all day, every day. I do not get sick of it. It's so worth it to me. So anyway, I love the upgrade. I'm thrilled with it. And yeah, that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas with your family or whoever you're spending it with. Just thank you guys. I love you to pieces, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye. Merry Christmas.